Hello, everyone, and welcome back. My name is Dr. Clara, and today we will cover the topic of pain. Just a reminder that all the information that is bolded and highlighted in blue is something that I've really seen come up on exams, and you should really try to remember those. Now, let's get into it. I will start with some general information about how pain works. So, first off, a stimulus such as pressure or high temperature occurs, and the body converts that stimuli into a nerve signal or an action potential. And this is called transduction, and it occurs at the ends of sensory nerve cells. Next off, transmission, which is a process of transferring that pain information from the peripheral to the central nervous system, or to be exact, to the thalamus and the hypothalamus. Now, pain modulation refers to up or down regulation of pain signals throughout the spinal cord